Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to iCode. In this video, we're gonna learn about buttons. So, open up Xcode and create a new project. Open up Xcode, go to File, New, Project. And yes, single view application. And let's name this as buttons. Make sure that the language is Swift and tap on next and save this on desktop. Now, what is a button? Of course, you know, right? What is a button? When you tap on it, it does something for us. And if it comes to Swift, it executes some part of code for us. And that is what a button is. And I'll show you how it works. Go to main.storyboard, yeah. And let me select iPhone SE. And from the object library, type in button. Button, come on, button, yeah. And let's drag this and put it at the center. And let me zoom it by pinching my trackpad and double click on the button so that you could change the text and click me. Yeah. Now, let me just run this app on iPhone 5s simulator. And yeah, this is what a button is. You can tap on it. You can see the fading when we actually tap on the button. Now, for now, it does not do anything for us. And now I'll show you how to customize this button. Make sure that the button is selected, and on the right pane, that is the info pane, that is the content pane, you can actually customize this button. You can change the color of the button, maybe red or something. Red, yeah, it looks good for me. And the shadow, if you want a shadow, and if you want to put an image as a button, you can. And as well the background, you can actually select a background image. And alignment, we'll be looking into it later in this course. And interaction, yeah, interaction is needed. If a button has no interaction, it is of no use. When we click on it, nothing happens. So we need interaction. Multiple touch, no, not for this. And alpha is nothing but the opacity. The lower the value of alpha, the more the button fades. Like now for 0.5 it fades a little bit, and if it is 0.1 it fades more. So we don't want this, and let it be 1. And the background, if you want to change the background, you can. Maybe let's give it a green color. No, it doesn't look good. And yellow, yeah, it looks good for me. And now, and yeah, this is how we customize button. And now, how to interact with this button. And what I want to do is, when I actually tap on this button, like what I just did here in the simulator, it has to print button clicked. It has to print button clicked. So, where to write the code so that when I tap this button, it just give me an output called something like button tapped. Now, what is this view controller name? This view controller name is nothing but, yeah, of course, the view controller. Its name is view controller. So search for a file whose name is view controller, and there it is. So in here we need to write some code. Before writing, we need to connect this button to view controller.swift. And how to do it? Go to main.storyboard and make sure that the assistant editor is selected so that you could work with the code as well as the design, that is the layout of the app at the same time. And now let's just get rid of the left pane by tapping on this. Now let me zoom in by pinching the trackpad. Now select the, tap on the button, control drag, press control and control drag, and the connection is of type action because it's a button. It is doing something for us. It is performing an action. So connection is of type action, and let's name this button as button 1 or something, anything like that, yeah. And let's connect to the view controller. Now it's connected to the view controller. And now whatever the code that we write in here in between the braces, the button executes for us when we tap on it. So for now, what do we want to do? We want to print button tapped. And that's it. Let's just run it on iPhone 5s, and it's building. And yeah, now click on this, and now you see you got the output as button tab. We have made this button interactive, guys, and that's awesome. We're gonna be using buttons a lot. So if you have any doubt in this part of video, you can just comment down below and I'll respond to you as fast as I can. Also, I want to tell you a secret. Come close. If you subscribe to my channel, you get a new coding video every day, and that's awesome. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video. Goodbye.